you very much for joining the interview. So, can you tell me your short description to hemophilia in to Korean people? Short, short.
Hemophilia.
Yeah.
So, hemophilia is a serious bleeding disorder
Mm-hmm.
caused by deficiency of either factor 8 or factor 9 in the blood. And people who are missing these clotting factors are at risk for spontaneous bleeding episodes. The most common type of bleeding episode is into the joints, but these people can also have bleeding into other closed spaces, like the intracranial space, where the bleeds can be fatal if not treated.
So, in the lecture that you said, the series of gene therapy, as the longest one is 8 years,
Yes.
and it's very good to hear about that. So, many people in hemophilia, it is a permanent cure when it can be. So, what is your opinion? It will be the permanent?
Well, I think that we really want to make decisions based on data. We do know that in large animals,
Yes.
there's a naturally occurring dog model of hemophilia, and those animals have been followed for periods of over 10 years, and the expression appears to be long term.
Yeah.
And as you said, in the first successful hemophilia B trial, the expression has been 8 years with observation ongoing. So, can it be longer than that? Well, we have to wait and base that answer on data.
Yeah. Okay. The second is the variant of the factor level to each test subject. It's very variant and has a big gap.
Yes, yes.
So why is that matter that has happening? You think so?
So I think you're asking why can there be such a wide range of levels?
Yes.
So there are several factors that people have looked at. One is that if the neutralizing antibody assay that we do before
Yeah.
people are infused is less sensitive, it may not detect people who have low level antibodies, and they may get a lower result based on that.
Right. Yeah.
But I think that it is also the case, just as I said at the beginning, this is a very complex therapeutic, and there are something like 8 different steps that have to happen from the time it's infused in the vein until you start making clotting factor. And so the question is, are there individual variations among patients
Yeah.
in the efficiency of all those steps? And is that part of the reason?
Okay, I see. The last one, uh, the clinical trial is just ongoing for
Yes.
the gene therapy,
Yes.
and many people are waiting for to get this medicine care. How it can be to real world to can actually do this to hemophilia people?
Okay. So a number of these trials are already in phase 3.
Three.
So that's the last phase before the manufacturer would seek approval. So typically, once something is in phase 3, it will be anywhere from 1 year to a few years
Oh, really? Yeah.
until they seek final approval.
I see.
So it should be close if it's in phase
Yeah.
3. That's the message.
We have to watch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.